A shaded pole motor is a simple type of self-starting single-phase induction motor. It consists of a stator and a core-type rotor. The stator is made up of salient poles. Each pole is slotted on side and a copper ring is fitted on the smaller part as shown in figure. This part is called the shaded pole. The ring is usually a single turn coil and is known as shading coil. This is the figure of the shaded pole motor with two stator poles. The working of this motor is when alternating current flows in the field winding, an alternating flux is produced in the field core. A portion of this flux links with the shading coil, which behaves as a short circuit secondary of a transformer. A voltage is induced in the shading coil and this voltage circulates a current in it. The induced current produces a flux called the induced flux, which opposes the main core flux. The shading coil thus causes the flux in the shaded portion A to lag behind the flux in the unshaded portion B of the pole. At the same time, the main flux and the shaded pole flux are displaced in space. This space displacement is less than 90 degree. Since there is time and space displacement between the two fluxes, the conditions for setting up a rotating magnetic field are produced. Under the action of the rotating flux, a starting torque is developed on the case rotor. The direction of this rotating field or flux is from the unshaded to the shaded portion of the pole. The figure shows the direction of rotation is clockwise. In a shaded pole motor, the reversal of direction of rotation is not possible. Applications of shaded pole motors. Shaded pole motors are very cheap. The starting torque developed by a shaded pole motor is very low. The losses are high and the power factor is low. Consequently, the efficiency is very low. For this reason, the shaded pole motors are built only in small sizes of the power rating of order of 40 watt or less. They are used to drive devices which require low starting torque. They are small, suitable for small devices like relays, fans of all kinds, etc. Because of their low initial cost and easy starting, the most common application are table fans, exhaust fans, hair dryer fans for refrigeration and air conditioning equipments, electric equipment, cooling fans, etc. They are also used in record players, tape recorders, slide projectors, photocopying machines, in starting electric clocks and other single phase synchronous timing motors. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.